roaring boil. Toss in our shells, mix them around. Cutting onions is one of my favorite things now that I know how to cut onions thanks to Chef Sam from Project Bread. So you want to cut off the bottom portion so you have something flat, and you want to leave the root there. And this is when I start peeling it because it's the easiest. So now we split it in half and we still have the root because that helps keep things intact and it will be less messy. I'm going to flatten my palm so I don't cut myself and make slices across the onion like this, making sure that my palm is flat, my thumb is not near the knife, and I make about 3 different slices. Then again, we're gonna do bear claw now, or we're gonna slice the other way. And I'm just a little bit farther away from the root. I'm never cutting into the root because then it'll fall apart. I just wanna keep the root intact. Here is a better view. Flat palm. Knife is flat. 1, 2, 3 cuts. Really depends on how thin you want them. 4 cuts there. Okay, so that's all cut. And then I'm gonna do bear claw and cut it from the side. And from there is the fun part, bear claw again. And you just kind of chopped right off. Then I have this pouch. You can also use pouches. This one says to knead it to reabsorb the natural oil, so I'm just gonna move it around. And this one's cool because it has already seasoned with black pepper, celery seed, lemon, garlic, onion, parsley, and avocado oil. This I got a big Y. So I'm gonna add that in there. again, you can add more tuna to this, you can add more mayonnaise. I like this kind of consistency. I like that it's crunchy, so I leave my vegetables a little bit bigger, but you can make them smaller. If you want, you can use this on sandwiches or put it into like lettuce salads. But I like to put my shell noodles, and I like shells because then the tuna salad kind of gets stuck in between and then you get more tuna salads. Here's my dinner. We have grains, we have the pastas are grain, our colors are coming from all the vegetables, and our tuna is a protein along with the mayonnaise is a fat. So we have all the components of a meal right here. Enjoy!